khubor district jong ka Ri-Bhoi district bat ka National Thermal Power Corporation Limited bongai gaun menta ka sngi kilaya soy da ka memorandum of agreement hakamra trekam u deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi district na ka benta ban pentrekam ya ka project ban bu ya ki STEM labs ha ar phnyo tali ki skul sorkar ba pher ha Ri-Bhoi district ya ka tei ka project lamang pisa hado shispa sau phopra pan san pholak Lyngba ka scheme CSR da ka jingthmu ban kentiu ya ka jingnang jing start jong ki samla pule ha ka benta jong ka science technology engineering but mathematics kham tam ha ki kerdan secondary but higher secondary ha ka tei ka sngi la soiru ya ka MOA daw Abhilash Baranwal deputy commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi lam bat ki nong mi khmat ka NTPC bongai gaun ba kynthup yo Amit Kumar Asthana head of HR NTPC bongai gaun Assam Madhurya Singha Lankar DGM HR Smiti Das Executive CSR Habakran Shikilat Pathai Khubor Nakaliang Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District Ulaong Baka Ri-Bhoi District ka Badairu ka Aspirational District ha ka jala Bon na ki company Kim Jukantat Banyarap Kham Tam Lyngba ki scheme CSR Bat Nakaliang ka Bor District Kala ay khub Kirpang ya ka NTPC Bongai Gaun ka Balapdyang ya ka Jingkerpat ka Bor District Banbu Kombasan Husan Tali ki STEM Lab ha ki skul ba pher ha Ri-Bhoi Henry ha ka Wat Baningkong kalapadyang banle shwa kom bahil ar punyo tali skul bat kabasa nang ta kanday kawat baan.
that they are able to understand now. अब शायद इस पॉलिसी रिवर्स होगा।
शायद इस STEM लैब से थोड़ा फायदा भी होगा।
हाँ, इसलिए an MOU with NTPC Bongaigaon for setting up 27 STEM labs, science, technology, engineering and mathematics labs across 27 different schools of Ri-Bhoi. These will be secondary, higher secondary schools. Ri-Bhoi being an aspirational district, whenever we approach central government companies for any CSR help, especially in fields of health and education, they are more than responsive. We are very thankful to NTPC for generously agreeing to our proposal. We had sent a proposal for 55 schools, 55 STEM labs. In first phase, they have agreed for 27. Second phase will also come. And these schools have been selected on the basis of availability of infrastructure, on the basis of their current enrollment of secondary and higher secondary schools. And there is a requirement from NTPC that these schools have to be either government or government aided. So yeah, based on these three criteria, we have selected 27 schools. STEM labs will provide an opportunity to the STEM students to get a very hands-on experience on scientific and mathematical concepts. This will allow them an opportunity to go beyond their course books. And the idea of setting up STEM labs in secondary and higher secondary school is to encourage our students from Ri-Bhoi to opt in larger numbers for science-based courses, to increase their curiosity and interest in mathematics as well. This will only enable them to opt for STEM courses later, as well as will help them in competitive examinations as well.